Hey, my friends, do you ever wake up and feel very emotional? And I was really emotional today. And I know why, because I turned the big, I was going to say 50, but it's 60. I am 60. And as a birthday gift for me, I have another unboxing. So hang around with me as I unbox my package. Hello, thank you. Welcome back. So, I do keep inventory of my bags here, and I just received the order. It is from our friends at Macy's, but I ordered two of the same bags, and I don't want to be that surprised. So I'm going to look at my inventory here to at least let me know what color I have in the bag because they're both the same. I just ordered two different colors. I ordered one from Coach and directly from Coach. So it is a Coach bag. I ordered one from Coach and then the other one I did order from Macy. So now I know what color it is. I'm not going to tell you. I know, but I'm not going to tell you. You have to wait and see. Okay, so here we go. We are going to open her up, and you probably already know, just kind of looking a bit at what the packaging looks like here. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. So, okay. I'm chuckling, guys, because if you can see the wrapping paper, it says Chanel. I didn't order a Chanel bag, but we'll see. I'm afraid now. Okay, so let me open. It's a different seat. It's not Chanel, but Coach. They're far apart in price range, but I guess the Macy's wanted to make sure it was wrapped up. It's not Coach wrapped. I can tell you that. All right. So here, let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay, it's not so small. I thought it was gonna be tiny, tiny, but it's not so small. But I don't know. Look at, see, we got the corners here that's already bent in there and here. I gotta check. I don't know if I paid um, full price for this, but I'm pretty sure this is not new. The color is, I love the color. I really do. Let's see. So it does have some of the Coach packaging in the inside. Just gonna inspect it a little more. Maybe it wasn't carried, but I also see, I don't know if you can see, there is it's a scratch there. All right, now this will be, I ordered the, and I have a video out there, the 39 in the suede, and it had a stain on the front, so I had to return that, and I ordered that from Macy's too. I don't know. I don't know. I do love it. I was concerned that, I don't know, why am I saying love? And, you know, love is a very strong word, but I really like it. Let me see how, okay, that is a comfortable fit. All right, I think this will be good. Wait till I get my things in here. Okay. Um, I don't know if I want to keep her though. I just want to order her from Coach. Now the tag is still on here, but it just looks worn to me. I don't know. Just see how it's like. There's a little stain on the front of it here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. If I'm paying brand new prices, I want my bag to be new too. I don't want it to be a return. So I was worried about the size. I'm okay with the size. I'm okay with it. But I just, the condition, I'll have to inspect it a bit more. But I really do like this color. Now I do have I don't know if it's a ruby Coach Walk. Let me see. Hang on a minute. Watch my bag for me. I'll be right back. All right, I do have this. It's not an exact match, but it goes rather well with it. and I don't think it would take up the whole bag. So I love long wallets. So I love these essential wallets from Coach. So here's the verdict. Love the bag. I'm just not sure if I'm going to keep this one. I'll probably reorder it from Coach, but this one does look a bit like it was used and maybe restuffed. So thank you all. I don't know. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? And this is so interesting. Okay, I know I'm going off, but this is so interesting because I watched tons of videos on Coach bags, especially the look, it's something else right here. Oh yeah, this is going back. Especially the Brooklyn because I was trying to decide between the 39 and the 28 this size, and I was just watching a video no more than like 10 minutes ago. I was commenting on I think is did you change your hair again? I think that's the name of her channel. And she had unboxed two or unbagged two of her Coach Brooklyns, and she was saying how small they were. And she's a big bag girl. I'm a big bag girl too. So I was saying to her that I'm probably gonna have to return mine because I was so nervous about the size. And she said, "Just keep me posted on what you think." And I think I can deal with this. I do. So I'm good with the size, and I will get it again. It's just a matter of if I'm going to keep this one or just reorder it directly from Coach. All right, people, thank you for hanging out. I am signing off. If you have this 28, tell me what you think, especially if you have carried it. Tell me how it works for you. But I am excited. I can't even get my words out. I'm excited about this one. What a nice gift. All right, thank you. Signing off.